Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 6.0, Understanding Excel Files and Templates. We're going to cover 13 different areas here, all relating to the background and navigating files and templates, file structure up here in home under File. So 6.1, Excel Templates and Files Answered. 6.2, how to build a new Excel workbook. 6.3, 15 seconds to opening an existing Excel workbook. 6.4, little known ways to save an Excel workbook. 6.5, 3 things you didn't know about Excel auto recovery. 6.6, password protect an Excel workbook, the good and the bad. 6.8, 5-step checklist for managing workbook options. 6.9, closing Excel workbooks. It's easy if you do it right. 6.10, simple steps to safeguarding your work. 6.11, we will discuss the benefits of working with Excel templates. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.